Hey friends, a huge welcome to my very first blog. I'm your favorite YouTube blogger. Today, I'm going to tell you all about my home. You see, your buddy here isn't just any ordinary dog. I live in the USA. Check out my swag, right? But there's a bit of a problem, friends. My owner has locked me home alone and gone off to work. Now, I'm getting bored. So, what are you waiting for? If you like and comment on this blog, and subscribe to the channel, my loneliness will vanish. Hit those buttons right away. Bye, see you in my next blog.